Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. Okay, daily chart. We've talked about it consolidating just underneath the highs for the last few days. And, what we said was, unless the bears could generate sustainable downside, converting something that matters, like the blue line here, the 9-day, that over time we would continue to bleed to the upside, we would make higher highs and eventually engage the yellow line there, the upper Bollinger Band. Now, we haven't engaged the upper Bollinger Band yet, but they did take it up last night to make new all-time highs at 30.92.5. This is the hourly chart. You can see all day yesterday we continued to consolidate. They popped up out of it, and now we'll see if they can continue to head to the upside or if they want to wind this back towards the hourly mid-band, which is down and around, call it 78. You can see this week has been a consolidation week. These bands in the hourly are tight, haven't done much at all. Little adjustment here, flattened out, little adjustment here, and we'll see if it flattens out or if they want to, or if they want to continue or pull back. So, this is definitely a week where the market has kind of taken a rest, at least for 3 days. I don't know. We got Thursday, Friday coming up. Those tend to be directional days. They tend to be in the favor of the side that does not have. They tend to be in the favor of the side that has won the battle over weekly pivot early in the week. Well, there's been no battle for weekly pivot this week. It's been down at 49.42, untouched, not cared for, not even a look, not even an attempt by the bears. So if there's nothing in the news flow that's going to hold it down, this is one of these rallies that everybody's going to hate, and they're just going to bleed you to the upside, bleed you to the upside, bleed you to the upside, and you just got to be long. You got to be long. So we were long from yesterday afternoon, like 2:30, 3 o'clock. We took some profits. We held it overnight, and we woke up to a nice little runner. We're flat now. At least I am going to be traveling. I'm traveling this morning. I will try to get a webcast out from the road tomorrow, and then I will definitely have a webcast out from the road on Monday. And I'll be back in the office Tuesday. So, the numbers and everything, briefing report, we'll be able to get all that out. The only thing that's iffy is whether we can get a webcast out tomorrow. But as far as today goes, as far as the open is concerned, pay special attention to 85 to 88. Understand that if you convert that, the area to come down and give a touch to really is that 78 quarter there, the hourly mid-band. That's, I know we're trading 10 handles above it, but as far as the entire body of work for the day is concerned, that has to be the bull-bear line because we are in such a consolidation week. Ideally, if you're the bulls, you don't come anywhere near that. You hold these 85s, you push off, and you head up towards that upper Bollinger Band, which sits right now at about 97 and then 3,100. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. There'll be more stuff out on social. Come check out the room, trade them well, and hopefully we'll talk tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.